Hey everyone, again it's Kaveen and welcome to my channel. So this is basically a quick style that you can do for those of you ladies out there who have sister locks and just looking for something quick that you can do. So that's what this video is about, so I hope you like it. So here I am just trying to decide whether I want my bang to be straight in the middle, in my face, to the side, just finalizing the look. So there you go. This is a super quick style that you can do with your sister locks in the morning to just go to work or wherever it is that you're trying to go. Super cute.